everybody, welcome. My name's Joy and we are doing a guided eye care routine that's really focused on increasing blood flow and circulation to the skin. This is really for the over 50 woman like I am. And just know that I am a master esthetician and I'm also a yoga teacher, so I do like to blend the two together. Remember that not everything that I use and everything that we do is appropriate for all skin types and conditions. So you do want to make sure that you talk to your dermatologist, your esthetician, and maybe even your eye doctor to make sure that this practice is appropriate for you. All right, with that said, I'm going to show you what you need and we'll get started. All right.
You're going to want to line the products up in the order that you're going to use them. It makes the process so much easier. If you'd like to use a warm eye mask at first, put it on for about 10 to 20 minutes and then go through the process. I'm going to be using warm towels from Clean Skin Club instead. Remember that any new products that you use, you're going to want to test patch for 48 to 72 hours before doing this eye care routine. Always wash your face tools after you use them. It just builds those healthy habits. So either using isopropyl alcohol or a gentle cleanser. Feel free to use the eye products that you have available to you, and just know that I will be posting what I used in the description. So before you get started, make sure that you wash your hands and you start with a clean face. Wash your face. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out, relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the muscles of the face, relaxing the neck, feeling yourself soften and let go. Breathe easily. And let's take a moment just to send a little gratitude for our eyes. Our eyes allow us to see all the beautiful things. Our eyes allow us to learn and to observe, and also knowing that not everybody can see. So be thankful for your eyes. Go ahead and slowly open your eyes when you're ready, and then rub your hands together to create warmth. We're going to do an eye palming exercise. Create that warmth, and then lightly cup over the eyes and feel that warmth. Breathe easily. Soften the muscles of the shoulders. Soften the eyes. Soften the palms of the hands. If you'd like to use a warm eye pad for 10 to 20 minutes, this is the time to do that. I'm just going to be using a warm compress and lightly press over the eyes. Very light. Be gentle. Just creating that warmth over the eyes. Focusing in on that breath. Easy breathing. Feeling that flow of breath in and out like a gentle wave. The pressure is light. And feel the eyelids soften and feel your eyes soften. This next step I got from my doctor, so always consult your doctor before doing it. It's hypochlorous acid spray. Spray it on a half a cotton round, gently wiping over the eyes and eyelids. It helps with redness and crusting, and if you have dry eyes, and it's microbial. Going in with the eye massage with sweet almond oil. Use an oil of your choice, and gently going over the eyes, spreading it. And start conservative, and you can always apply more if needed. And then just doing smooth effleurage strokes around the eyes. Very light pressure, very light. Avoid eye massage if you have redness, sunburn, eye wounds, anything of that nature. You're increasing blood flow and circulation to the skin. Smooth strokes. I'm not going on the eyelid itself. Doing some gentle eye circles. Transitioning to knuckles and tracing right under the eyebrow. Light pressure. Under the eye from the inner corner to the outer corner. Light pressure. Same thing on the opposite eye, doing about 5 strokes above the eye and 5 strokes underneath. Gentle taps above and below the eye. Super light, feather light pressure. Going back to smooth strokes around the eye. Both hands at the same time, gentle knuckles above 5 times and below 5 times. If you tend to get puffiness around the eyes, you're going to want to drain the lymphatic fluid down the sides of the face, sides of the neck to the collarbone. Your pressure is so extremely light here. You're just feeling the skin. You're not feeling the muscle underneath. And finishing off with some smooth effleurage strokes. You'll want to use a warm compress over the eyes to wipe off the excess oil. I'm going to apply a ordinary eye serum. This has caffeine and EGCG, which is from green tea leaves. So it helps with puffiness and dark circles and things like that. I tend to have sensitive eyes and this serum works well for me. Since I'll be using reusable eye masks, I like to use a serum first to help the product penetrate. I'm going to be going in with a Jade roller, which tends to be very cool. I don't even need to chill it. You can, but if you chill it, you're going to chill it in the fridge, not the freezer. And then just lightly go from the inner eye to the temple. And then I like to follow the eyebrow as well to the temple. Going back under the eye for about 5 strokes, keeping my eyes closed to help protect the eyes. Traveling down the side of the face, side of the neck, to the collarbone. Repeating these steps on the other eye. Going slow, taking your time under the eye 5 times. And then tracing the eyebrow 5 times. Under eye again, 5 rounds. Travel down the side of the face, side of the neck, to the collarbone. Removing the eye masks, and you're going to wash them right away so that they're ready to use next time. And then going in with an eye cream of your choice. I'm using a Proline peptide eye cream. Using about a pea-size amount, gently tapping it to spread it, and then I'll start to gently rub it in with my ring finger. You don't necessarily have to use your ring finger, but you do need light pressure.
All right, there you have it. That's your eye care for the day. Also remember to eat your vitamin A rich foods for your eyes as well. So not only carrots, but you want to think dark leafy greens, sweet potatoes, cantaloupe, apricots. Just kind of think along those lines of nutrient rich foods, not only on top of your skin topically, but also internally as well. All right, with that said, if you have any questions, let me know, and remember to like and subscribe. And until next time, have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for joining along today. All right, bye.